Now,
in any case, no.
You say almost 3,000 now.
3,000 whatever.
I was saying.
You mean can I cry the value?
I told you, I said 3,000, not 4,000.
The church can't bond to
3,000. 3,000.
They wrote 3,000. Go and look whether it's 3,000.
No, I say.
Look at it. I won't say anything. At the appropriate time, people will come out and confess.
Which is come?
No, at the appropriate time. Now, listen. In October, I came here and told you, say, Anas had done this to me. Did I not mention it? Did I hide it?
Yeah, David.
I didn't hide it. And I did not do any wrong.
Skaroje.
What I'm saying is that I took it. The next day I gave it to him.
You returned the money?
Yes. I took, somebody gave me 22,000 Ghana cedis at the FA. The following day I returned it to him. Go there and ask everybody. I'm telling you. Odamasi say, was it 3,000? Odamasi say, even what happened, you know, it is something that I have done. I've explained this thing several times. I did a case for players, about 30 of them. We were free, given free status. Then Joshua Aqua called me and says that, or player being about floating, ya declare no, na player and manager person didn't to come. Na wako embassy on Monday. Inti se meti ma ye letter na nemo. Me no me obi a meti officer tama me ye adwuma regular meti officer file betomanima in the 3 seconds neko. I have already advised the secretary so unprepared because that was on a Thursday. On a Friday, must sign all the decisions because I have to commission a match in Cape Coast on Saturday. Waf. So Friday, Aqua Yobia from since I'm about Ghana. Since 1997, me started Ghana football. I've seen him as his boy, brother. He didn't come. I didn't think anything was. So when I signed it, I called him. I signed that paper for you. So come in. Then Monday after, you call me that the boy went to the embassy. He has been given the visa, and the manager is so happy. He wants to thank me. Then he ended up in this. You come to me, I tell you, say, me, I don't charge people when I'm doing something. But even this one, I had already done it. I didn't even know that you were involved. And I have helped several people in Ghana and outside Ghana.
Including someone down in Bafoja.
Yes. Do you remember? Said there was a time I far Bafoja and as Samoa, the national team, people started complaining. You remember?
2008.
Yes, and your family team.
Yeah.
I had to go on air to tell people that it is wrong for them to think that way. And even at the FA, I was fighting people. In the end, that matter died down until before Jan retired. Today, I bet the pay the mom, you know, any national team who has complained. So if I say I've heard somebody before, is it wrong? Who has complained? But at that time, it became a national issue. That is why I say Ghana, we are very unfair. Now, then you say, yeah, who may work a TV show. Incident. But I'm saying that if 3 electoral commission officials who conducted elections in 2016, illegal votes were transferred.
No, maybe would appearance in the video. Eti enya wana misrepresent assembly. Then why
I won't go to court. I don't have money to go to court. I don't have money to go to court.
Integrity,
integrity was what
because yeah, I could be there. More conclusion what discuss.
Agreed. Be. Senior we nebe hu chale. Sini awie nebe hu chale.
Now all this kind of who evidence all this kind of.
That is what I didn't do. That means who did I know they were filming me? Aqua, you'll be a man every day at time. They say your friend stadium so yeah no one say you did after match ye bon come. Did I suspect anything? Because I have a clear conscience. Today, Aqua cannot walk freely on the street of Accra. I walk freely on the street of Accra.
Now Aqua, on this kind of Hebreo.
He came with a small boy. That boy was arrested in Doma. but they have left it. That's the boy.
The same boy, no much.
What the picture never and then who said that boy was with him. He said so. Ne boss the boy now he wants to move with him. Blah blah blah. Now, yeah,
now this can come and boys have small way no.
No. Now say akwa sikana was anokwa free. They say National Sports Authority woman akwa. Say na boy nkan. Oh, na diabolical adwumani hia. Then there's the okwa sikana you won't be there. Because Akwa everybody knows him, so he has he didn't. Nobody will ever think it's anas nipa. What when you mention? And you mention say now the government.
Because I say the name of the game is evident.
Is it anas or who? Who is anas? That blackmailer.
How do I blackmail you?
Look. Let me scroll and bring you this, and let's ask ourselves: is it not Kwaku Bakum who said that we have over 100 people? Our video room.
Yeah.
How many people did you see in the video? Were they up to 20?
Oh, say we don't say the list by I'm going to put the office be breeding and I'm about count some video. The way is to say is going to say I start recording video about.
I am telling you, say, can you now boom? 30.
BBC they also different. African refugees they also come.
Sit down, ho. What can you now boom? 30.
Do some say refugees 77.
And video no one 77 referees.
Video no 77 referees.
Thank you. We are talking.
But also video.
No, what you are talking, Master Baby? Out in our Kasambusa question you. We are talking about video that people have watched.
Yeah.
Video that Kwaku Bakum said over 100 people will appear. Let me find that at the same. Let's use 100 people will appear. How many appeared? So you ask yourself, where are the rest?
Take a time constraint. You to be a man.
And those people, all people now want for one man. Are they also criminals or what? So why did he say over 100 people?
Are they also supposed to say you be man?
Yes, that's what he's doing.
And they will be film.
Huh?
They will be film.
Now. Half is the case now, you say, I want to hear. And as a Kojiska, you say, I want to hear.
Alleged or Kojiska?
Alleged. Yeah, the Indian alleged.
Who does say alleged?
I feel the worker say alleged.
Oh, they say alleged.
Mwamu baba. Tio. Entino, me media say, where an answer or no why a one-sided video no? Or no idea authentic. Canada, Japan, why both parties are talking, no? And no idea, and yet authentic. Mebwa. Massa, Ghana hayentra haye, Nansembe sisi. But me dear, what I'm saying is, Abano should gradually take its time to do whatever it's doing. Obiani wa Ghana ha, adia your friend is corruption, obesoso. Ana say, adia. Your friend is say, Obi koye boni, obejijiso, mimiti ye menjijiso. But the point is that, mumayen treat ye nina ye home fairly. Say, miti ha say, enuni, of 100 African refugees officials, cash, only 3 declined. Only 3 declined. 3 declined a handful. Or machine name. Now, over 100, Niakano, ewa hifa. Now, me sana kabio ne say. Abino is in a tight position, corner now. See decision out. Ghana for him say, for almost a year, these 3 officials were at post whilst they were being investigated. Yisi had not been taken over by the police, the officers. It means that you are being unfair to the people in football. To the extent that workers cannot even get access.
So what crime scene?
What crime has been committed there? What crime has been committed there?
No, I know. the GFA in law is human, is seen as human.
Yes.
And the ultimate arrested and no, ultimate arrested human, Nipa, to be arrested body, no man arrested. And now, more investigations, our near my own said the first of all, want to interfere with investigations. What you mean go document? What you mean go other document? And unti normal your crime scene.
Panyini udini de sebrenya.
That's why.
What can you? Their investigations. Didn't they look for documents at Electoral Commission office?
I'm sure they did.
Was Mrs. Charlotte said not at post? Was Amadou Sile not at post? The other woman, was he not at post? Why didn't they go to the EC office and carry everything? Because there was an allegation of illegal transfer of votes. There was an allegation of procurement breaches. Procurement breaches and your contracts not the sign. What sign? Are they not documents? So why were these people at post? And you expect that the FA should not run because 4 people are alleged to have misconducted themselves, which has not been proven by the competent court of competent. Why can you be unfair to us like that? Is it because it is football?
It is because Monsamunya United. Most of them was self-interest.
Yes, I'm coming there. I'm coming there. I am in the past, but Niame can say 1. Your constitution actually and say the president of the land cannot be sued, so he cannot sue. Who complained to the police?
The president of the republic.
Is it right?
I need a clarification.
I am a lawyer. So, breaches a dozen bank. It is a war complaining. That's a citizen be one day or also complain. Go to the police. Will he be?
Wait, the very republic versus the president.
Wait. No. Will he be right? Would the police be right to invite the president to their office for investigation?
Sir, if you don't call the president in the fight, until he be seen.
Okay. Auntie.
But when the criminal case is
now,
president complainant no the state, the republic versus the
yeah. Now let me go back to Anas pre-trial. Me a lawyer ni, but I have a lawyer for say pre-trial. Yeah, in a prosecutor office and I in a courtroom. Now pre-trial no yeah. Judge will hobby. And the lawyers of the other parties in Ewobiana. Nti maame no. But a yes statement me why pa. They will turn around, they will want to defend themselves, there will be no way for them. Now, we come to the FA itself. FA for we are going through these things because we are not united. Because me, I was expecting, and I've been saying it, say, even FIFA, it happened there. When Blatter, Platini, and the others had problems, what happened? The Executive Council of FIFA met those who were not affected and appointed Issa Hayatou, the longest serving member of the Executive Council, as the acting president of FIFA.
You were the then vice president
of
FIFA.
Yes.
And I'm appointed as the president of FIFA. Acting president.
Yes. And that is what our law says. Ask yourself. These 18 members who were not affected, could they rally themselves together to immediately appoint somebody as an acting president?
I don't think maybe now to say you didn't show leadership.
Say you be you free wa enya aban ye ne yeku a market women for baby be say dokono for obi ye bone anya aban ko yi nipa ma no makola for no nya aban ko yi
nipa kasa we ene dumadu bi amadu
no
ye ti idea pe ene
nya say ye betima ye ti nya ye no eye mra nya ye no eye constitution na ma ye sa akwa no. The same constitution I read to about MP no. The same constitution na ma ye sa e say ma kind dia kire wo. Now, mwakotra ho, mu be yinipa mu nyinipa. Be, mpanfo be. Se dane ho paya, tefre no awura ho. Enne si efe. Senka if efe no close war rank. Da bia mpanfo be buba, mpanfo ba yan kwasafo. Be se tia ni tia enka. Eno nkyere se abontinsuni emefanko wa woni amekere no tia ni tia enkan na nche sa abontinsuni se yeti happy FM ha munyina nya munyina na
yenso e kan e tire kan
tia ni tia wo krom na this side and this side e kontokwa outside is free baby ba
tia no ya kasa ya say ben
tia ni tia
ya tia ni tia nkan e fa
before me fa
ma before me fa
ekro ba kuna e bia oti krotia
we ma
e kro ba
yes
ba mo de other end we so na mo amoko so feel outside the good ba be come
ni
tia ni tia e ko a eno nkyere say I was say this abontin football. Wow. But unfortunately for us in football, we didn't see that. Otherwise, abai nyane way. Now, yeah, the FA injunction ko say no activities. Where is the executive committee? Ebe fa lawyer, I'm a lawyer ko fight. They are fighting over positions. And one see. Until you are ready, be say who to mamonefo